Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today we are going to take few trades in terms of levels, in terms of trend direction, and in terms of continuation. So let's see what happens with the market after this candle. Okay, so from after this candle I can confidently go with the buyers. You can see. Okay, so I have taken my trade in an up direction, and I will win my trade here. Why? Because you need to see this one. Market is moving like this. Let me show you again from this point. Okay, so this is your market movement. Market is moving like this, so it can go up easily from this point and it will close as a bullish. You can see here market is making what market is making here. Let me show you. Market is making new highs, and you can see pattern is working 100% here, so therefore this candle will close as a bullish. Okay, so I lost my trade here because of the late entry, but I can again go with the buyers confidently. Why? Because this is the next level, and you can see because of the late entry, because of the internet issue, I clicked here, but I lost my trade because of my late entry. So therefore I took another trade in an up direction. Why? Because this is the next level. Let me show you here again. This one and this one. Okay, so this is your level. So now if this candle closes below a little bit, so now you can see I won my trade here. Why I won my trade? Because you can see I'm seeing the market movement like this. So the next expected point can be this one, or because of the breakout the market can reverse. So this area was a secure area for me to take trades, and I took my two trades, and I predict both candles exactly in the direction of the trend and as per my prediction. So for me these both trades are winning trades. Okay, so now I can say that this candle can also close as a bullish. Why? Because you can see, let me show you here one thing. So momentum started, so this is the momentum, and you can see the strongness of the candles. So now in this area I will not take any trade because I know it can reverse anytime from this area. So you are seeing that market is reversing from this point. So this is how you can analyze the market. So in the future for me this area will work as a reversal for sure. And I told you that this candle can close as a bearish after this candle, so it is closing as a bearish. Okay, so let me show you here again. Okay, so in this candle, okay, I'm late again, so I will not take any trade here. Now if you want to take your trades, you need to see your trend, you need to see your candle, and you can see here for the future I am pretty much sure that the candle can go down in the future after hitting this area. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Okay, so this is a very good pattern right now going on in the market went down, went up, again down. So after this candle I can expect a seller's entry, and I took my trade in a down direction. So why I took my trade in a down direction? Because you can see here, let me show you here, strong candle, weak candle. If I compare this candle with this one, so it means that sellers are getting weak and market can reverse from this area. Now if you analyze the market here, this is your level, so this candle will close as a bearish, and after this candle we can go with the sellers. So you can see market is coming down, and we can take trades in a down direction. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I won my trade. Okay, so now after this candlestick I can easily go with the sellers. Why? Because you can see this candle made a new low, and it is a strong candle, and it is an engulfing pattern, so I can easily go with the sellers. Because next, okay, now it is reaching at the, now it is exactly at the buyer's zone, but I will take my trade in a down direction. So I'm late, but I took my trade. So let's see what happens. It will close as a bearish for sure. So I have taken another trade, and again my entry point is late, so I will win this trade for sure. I know the market movement is just like this, so market will go down again, and there is a gap to the level, so the next candle will close as a bearish for sure. So let's see, 10 seconds are remaining here, so let's see what happens. I am very much confident that the candle will close as a bearish. So now you can see candle closed as a bearish. So here you can see that I took almost 4 trades, and I explained each and every trade step by step, and I won every trade here. So whenever you come into the market, you need to see the market movement, and you need to see the levels, and you need to see your trend, so it will help you. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed you all, take care, bye.